freezing. We're driving 4 hours just so Brody can get some tandem practice because he won't buy a sim. Brody, on a scale from 1 to 10, how bad are you going to totally it?
A 5.
Why don't you have a sim? Why are we doing this in the cold?
Because why not? It's the adventure that matters.
Yeah, Brody's getting obliterated. He's gonna need them door skins here soon.
Let's drift!
Tires too hot?
Yeah, I think that's why I was spinning.
Hot tires, cold track?
I spawned because my tire was hot.
Yeah, okay.
I'll probably be pretty close to him when I put those 245s on.
Yeah.
Something broke.
What? Are you serious?
Yeah.
You bent a tire out again?
No, in my rear end.
Oh.
I don't know if it was an axle or something.
All right, let's go check it out.
Oh! Fresh set of tires. Gone.
Already?
You're throwing hella angle like me.
I literally am hitting backies.
Shut the fuck up.
I like how the first time he's like,
Hey, this side not spinning.
Axle, this side.
Yeah, you
The
got it.
axle.
Yeah. Spin it. Oh yeah.
I'm just concerned on why my diff's wet on this side. It's like wet coming out of like the.
Oh, it's probably leaky.
Yeah, I think it might just be a leaky seal or something. That's why I thought the diff broke. Cool. Lauren, went to AutoZone.
This is closer.
Well, he doesn't have O'Reilly's warranty axle.
Oh, the AutoZone's right before McDonald's.
So 5 minutes.
Oh, okay. Wonder what are the chances they'll have an axle though.
Zane, how do you immediately get dirt on your face every time?
What?
Somehow.
You're just one dirty cookie.
Yeah, so we obviously blew an axle, but thankfully they had one here at the track, so we just did a little bit of a fix, pulled this one out, and we weren't sure if it was the right one, but it bolted up, so we are good to go. Apparently we're not trying to wad our cars up, so we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of backy practice.
How do you feel about that,
Zane? Back to regular scheduled program.
Last few laps of the day at this private day here at SMP.
Super private, no one's allowed but me and Kane.Zaine. So if you think your private parts are bigger than ours, then come to the next one.
What are you guys about to do?
Hit each other.
Are
I
you?
don't know. Try not to, but we're both on pretty bald tires. And I'm kind of getting tired. My leg hurts from kicking the clutch all the time, so I'm trembling in my boots.
Bangador Zaine, please stop being like this.
What?
You got proximity in you, baby. Get some proximity in you.
I'm in him. I'm leaving him alone.
Stop leaving him alone.
I'll give him a little bit.
So this was a fun adventure. Tires look like they're super hard and you lost grip.
What?
Looks like you had a grip.
I'm out of a bumper.
And
Who did that? Did you clip me?
nah, it just popped off just now when you like did that. Yeah. Just the inertia threw your blinker out and ripped the bumper off.
Listen, let's get the fuck out of here. Wake up.
Killing it, dude.
Go to that.
Hey, right after I told you to get proximity, bro, you went in like a shark. That last corner, dude, he was in your shit.
Really?
Yeah, and that, like, yeah, it
What,
was
back
it was
there?
good. Yeah,
Oh,
like
that's
I was like,
Dude, it gets so sketch right there. 'Cause
Yeah.
You have so much
right
speed.
there?
Yeah.
no, like right here when you
Right
came
there,
around the
right.
big sweeper right there. Yeah,
Well, even right there, like you slam on your brakes and I wait, close up, and then slam on mine.
Yeah, bro. Cause like, dude, I have so much momentum coming out of
I
this
know, it's
thing.
so fun.
It
You're
is.
just flying. You're
like what?
Is that me?
Nah.
Yeah, that actually dead ass was from the last event.
Oh yeah.
Dude, my car's totaled. What the? Yeah, we're just gonna let the bumper hang off. Because I'd have to crawl in there and unlock my trunk.
Oh really?
Yeah, because the latch broke. This is why I need arrow, James.
Yeah, it's coming. Making the mold.
Coming?
It's so f***ing tight. Get it in there. Oh, that was weird. Oh. How was the event though?
It was a killer. I love I can see myself in this one.
Do you feel that you improved?
Oh, dude, you wouldn't even know.
Did you though? Did you though? Hell yeah, you did.
That's what I'm trying to preach to these young kids.
You know?
All you need is a Z. And a guy with a trailer. And a truck. And then a guy with a GoPro who also owns a trailer.
And suspension by BC Racing and GK Tech control arms.
Yeah.
Hashtag not an ad. James, you gotta hit a quick cool transition of off the car.
Oh, there we, yep. KBD for life. I hope you, yep.
Perfect spawn
That's-
for us.
Bye. It was nice meeting you. What's your name?
Jacob.
Jacob.
I'll add you on Instagram or